Here's how you can use Seedance 2.5 completely free. First of all, you can see that there are so many tools that offer Seedance 2.5, but you'll notice when you sign up to these tools, they require credits or they will just eat up your tokens in order to generate one single video. But I'm going to show you a way how you can use Seedance 2.5 completely free, unlimited. So first of all, you're going to head over to App Store or Google Play Store, whichever store you have, and you're going to click on the search bar and you're going to type in Tinker. So simply type down Tinker, Tinker, and you'll be able to see a couple of options in the search results. So you gotta download this one that says Tinker by Shopify. You're gonna install this and just open this application. And here you'll be able to see so many products that you can use. So you need to find Seedance over here. If you're not able to find it in the list, you're gonna click on the search bar over here at the bottom right corner and simply type down Seedance over here and press enter. Here you can see we have an app that says Seedance Video Generator. You're going to simply click on that and then you're going to click on Use. Once done, it will take you to this interface. So first of all, you need to sign up to generate any of the video, but we'll get back to that later. We're going to tap down the prompt, some reference photos if you have, and any reference videos if you want to add. So I'm going to go with a prompt. I have a prompt saved over here, so I'm going to simply copy this entire prompt. So let me just copy it down. And once you have copied it, you're going to make sure that you have defined every single thing in this prompt. And you can see that I have typed down the duration. You're going to make sure that you do type duration and the orientation of the video right inside the prompt. And once done, you're going to simply open the application and just paste that prompt over here. We have 2,500 words limit. Make sure that your prompt is within the limit and then press the stick icon at the bottom right corner. Next, if you wish to create a video of a specific photo or just, extend any video using Seedance, then you can use these two options. We also have some additional settings over here that is enhanced prompt. You can allow Tinker to improve your prompt for better results. So Tinker is going to make some changes in the original prompt that you provided so that it becomes a bit more Tinker friendly and the video results are better. And if you want the video to have audio, then you're going to make sure that this is toggled on as well. Here you can set duration. So we have how long the output should be. We have 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 6 seconds. You can also type down the duration in the prompt. Moreover, if you'd like to just select it from here, you can do so. Since Tinker is using the free version repeatedly, so it won't really allow you to generate a video of minutes, but it would give you a clip of seconds if you'd like to add in the shorts or reels. So we can see that we have 3 options, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 6 seconds. Simply select the one that you want. And then you can select the aspect ratio. We have some 9:16 vertical, 3:4 portrait, 1:1 square, landscape. Then we have another orientation of landscape and an ultra wide. So once you have selected that, you're going to click on sign up to generate over here and just sign up with your account. You can continue with Apple, you can continue with Google or continue with email. So I'm just going to go with Apple over here. Once you are signed in with your account, it would say slide to generate. So simply hold this arrow and slide it to the right side and it will begin generating your video. So just wait patiently for Tinker to generate your Seedance video. So here you can see the request was received. The estimated generation time is about 3 minutes. The generation has been started and now it is rendering the video. So you can see the progress bar here at the bottom and you can also play while you wait if you want to do so. So just wait patiently for the video to be generated. And now you can see that the video has been generated. It's named Neon Rain Lone Traveler Cityscape. And if you want to tweak in some more edits, for example, if you don't like the dressing of the person, you don't like the scene, you don't like the buildings around it, you don't like any scene within it, you're going to click on this pencil icon over here. And once you do so, it would ask you what would you like to change. So you can simply ask it to change whatever you want to do so. And then just slide to generate. You can either add it to a new project or just update the existing one. And if you want to hear voice with it, you're going to simply click on the video and then click on this audio icon. And then you can hear it with any sort of voice. And if you'd like to edit the voice as well, then you can just tweak in that edits over here. And once everything is set and you want to save the video, you're going to click on the 3 dots over here at the bottom right corner. And we have download option over here. And in case you want to share it with anyone else through a link, you can do that by clicking on share over here. So I'm just going to click on download and the downloading has begun. Just wait for it to get downloaded and then you can open your gallery and you can see that the video is there. Apart from that, there are also numerous websites or platforms where you can use Seedance 2.5 completely free. You can just go through that and just sign up easily. So I'm going to give you a quick demo on two of these tools that I have worked on. So first we have is Wizstar over here. So you can simply go to any of the search engine and simply search for wizstar.com. And then you're going to head over to this prompt box, simply click on home and you'll be redirected to this creative prompt box. Simply type down your prompt over here. So I'm going to use exactly the same prompt that I used over there. So I'm just going to paste it down. Once done, you'll be able to see some options over here. We have Seedance 2.0. Right now, we only have Seedance 2.0 over here. Since Seedance 2.5 is relatively new, so it would just roll in a few days over here as well. So you're going to simply select the model and then you're going to select the orientation and the resolution. So make sure that you select 720p because the higher the resolution, the more credits it's going to eat. So you're going to simply select the orientation, the resolution. Once done, simply click on start for free, sign up using your credentials. And the agent is going to create the video for you. Since we're using the standard free version, so it might take a while. And once the video is generated, you'll be able to see that over here. And just like Tinker, you can also tweak in your own edits. The second one we have is Melius. So you can simply go to the search bar and type in app.melius.com and just sign in with your account. You can either use Apple or Google account or with any regular email you have. And once you have logged into the account, you'll be able to see your projects over here. So in order to create a project, you're going to click on new project at the top right corner, give your project a name. And once the project is created, you're going to simply click on that project and it's going to take you to that node. And just like we previously did on Wizstar or Tinker, you're going to type down your prompt over here and just define what kind of video you want, the orientation along with the duration. And over here at the bottom, you'll be able to see auto run and plan. So auto run is basically you can run the generations automatically. That is, it's just going to give you the end result. In the plan one, it's going to draft you the scenes and you can just tweak in your own edits if you want to do so. And just like in batches, you're going to create an end result. And there are numerous other free tools where you can use Seedance 2.5 or Seedance 2.0 completely free. What it does is that it uses repeatedly the free version of Seedance for you. It won't give you the exact pro version result, but it's still better to have something rather than having nothing at all. So you can use any of the free tool that is offering Seedance 2.5 free trial. And that is basically how you can use Seedance 2.5 completely free. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.